Hey, what's up, guys? This is ProWolfTrader. Let's make money together. Today is Tuesday, and yesterday, as before I left, I said try to keep this sell running, and if you did, congratulations, you are in for a bounce. It's not that the price suddenly went down. I said it will go down. It will go. What in the hell even I'm saying? It will go down, and it has actually more than 1,000 pips. So let's see what we can do today. Let's see how the session goes. Because as far as I can see, things are not looking good on other charts, but I'm pretty much optimistic. I'm talking about the forex charts, but it's okay. Okay, we just had a voltage fluctuation, don't even know what to do about it. I'll just gonna ignore it. Things are looking really awkward. It'll take some time. But here we are. Everything's looking good. BTC is going down. Let me give you a quick update. I'm just waiting for more people to gather up, so I'll do the analysis, and I need 5 likes, guys. 5 likes, and I'll start the stream. By the way, you have a Fibonacci retracement in front of you. If you are thinking for a sell, just wait till the price goes above 39.75, 39.68. This is where you will enter a short, and I will too enter a short on this area. Before that, we will not take any short. Besides that, we have lots of news that is about to come in today, because Donald Trump is visiting Malaysia to meet Chinese Xi, and before that he just met with the Japanese PM. So this is why you see a lot of movement going on in Euro JPY. GBP JPY just it did a neckline drop, sharp drop, and is still dropping. It's a strong sell momentum, but I'm expecting a pullback, and that pullback will happen either in this session or later on. But finger crossed, pretty much optimistic about everything, because that's the way it is. And GBP JPY is looking like a menace, but it surely will give lots of opportunities. for anybody who's still wondering what to do with it. All you need to do is hold on, and things will go merry the way you want. We are all in for a treat, by the way. Actually, the reason I opened this up is because you guys can also see the potential of forex. This drop happened in today, and if you put like this and I turn on the market session, this is educational stream. Fibonacci helps you in determining where to enter. Now this is yesterday's session, okay? Yesterday's the London session high, and now let me close this. So after this drop, it's going back, it's retracing back. Maximum it can retrace back till this area, and it will start rebounding down. So you have to keep an eye on this area. Besides that, lots of opportunities on Euro USD to dollar. Dollar is strong, by the way, and we are still looking forward to a massive profit today. We might see a retracement today, or we might not see, depending upon what's happening today. Price action kicked in yesterday, and I said follow price action. Okay, right now the only thing that will work in favor for you is price action. Alright, price action will work for you, nothing else will work. And I'm not just saying this to scare you guys up, it's a reality. And the reason I'm saying is because gold is ignoring everything, and gold should better be traded on price action rather than anything else with this market condition. If you are trading with price action, most likely open a trade in Tokyo session, Tokyo high, you will end up with huge profits. But everything comes with a risk, so manage your risk before you even decide what to do. But you guys will figure it out. You guys are smart. I'm having some electric issues over here. Voltage is fluctuating a lot, so anytime if the call get disconnected, I mean the stream, I don't know, I'm not in my senses. I mean, I'm okay, but I'm not okay. I'm trying to be. That's how things are. Today will be difficult for anybody who wants to get in a nice short entry. I mean for swing trade, not for scalp. Swing, of course, will have some issue. Amazon, by the way, yesterday announced that it's cutting 30,000 employees. By cutting, I mean, yeah, they're gonna lose their job. But this morning they said that they're reducing the numbers to 15,000 now after a backslash. And let's see how things roll when the US equity stock exchange opens. I don't have any high hopes, but at the same time, we have to use what we get, don't we? Bitcoin on the other hand is yesterday rejected from key resistance area, key psychological area, and now it's bounding towards lower low. Why? Because it's earning season. We have FOMC rate cut decision and a lot of stuff that is happening behind the camera, which I have to update, and I will update you guys after I upload the video. I need some time because I'm working, and when I'm not working I'm also working, so I'm doing research and everything regarding what the Fed will do, how it will impact, because this is the best time to make as much money as possible, and it's also the most dangerous time, most riskiest time. If something happens, it will happen big time. So it can either build your portfolio up or ruin it. So if you don't know what you're doing, stay out of it. And if you know what you're doing, you better should double your investment, because times like these don't come quite often. And in the past I have missed a lot of opportunities back in the days. Why? Because I did not have enough equity. And if I recall those times, I regret it, but I don't want you guys to regret. On a 4-hourly time frame, let me show you. We have 3 trades today: gold, Bitcoin, and okay, so let me take you step by step. You see this in front of you. Let me put this up. This is price action, pure price action. Then within that price action I will look for divergence, and I have actually found divergence. This is a trade which will last for more than a week, and a crash is about to happen soon. It will drop first to 90,000, then to 60,000, then 50,000, and everybody will buy from there. The big boys are waiting for the market to crash to buy back. They are not. They do, and they know how it's gonna fall. So they are not even selling. I mean, the big guys, they are just waiting for. They will make it crash, of course, by opening liquidating, by opening huge chunks. Anyways, I don't want to scare you guys, but listen me out. This is first bearish candle near resistance area. This is the same area where price liquidated, and price will aggressively drop downwards from here. It can, if it breaks below 100,000, then it's heading for 90,000. Once it hit 90,000, it will go to 60,000, 50,000. And the hardest thing I said to do was, the easiest part is to open a sell, hardest part is to hold on to the trade, because that will determine whether you will be profitable in the long term or not. And there are a lot of people that will have difficulty. Lots of difficulty for a lot of people. But we will try to bypass this time by holding on to our trades. Going back to gold. Gold is dropping now. I think it's safe to sell gold now. This is a nice area if it drops, but you have to take profit at 38.86. Can't believe it touched 38.86. Wasn't expecting it, but it's heading towards 3,500 as I mentioned earlier on, and then everybody will start buying. You put a target, realistic target, you put everybody's expectation on it, and buyers have no news. There is no news for the buyers to get back in action. I will just go with the flow. I'm just waiting for the price action to kick in on gold and Bitcoin. And once it starts dropping, then it's gonna keep on dropping. Then all hell will be loose. We did the easy part, opened the trade, now we are doing the hard part. Keeping that trade open. I don't know what, but I'm telling you my secret. In order to keep my trade running, what I do is I have my mobile phone. I open TradingView on it and I open a day one time frame and I just look at that candle. Even if I have urges to take profit a little bit, I just look at it and I say to myself that when the trade is in negative, I hold it, but if is in profit, I just don't, because I have fear that it will go. Sometimes, sometimes, not all the time. But it's alright. We all get there. It's really hard to trade. By the way, Fed rate decision is due on Wednesday, tomorrow. So make sure. And yeah, when before that the market is dropping. If the market crashes tomorrow on the rate cut, then don't be surprised, because not necessarily. It will pump, and after the pump it can crash too. It will hit 3500. You cannot fight the market, join it. It's alright. It's absolutely alright. You cannot win every fight. Actually, you don't need to win anything. Okay, looks like that we are in a place where we can short gold. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm working also, so I cannot be that much active, but the fact I'm streaming is should be enough. I'm trying my very best, but my very best is not enough, as I'm still recovering, because I have a lot of issues going on with my health. But still, you gotta work, you gotta earn money. As I said earlier on, if this breaks below this area, then it's another, because intraday is, we are on a sell exit. It's still dropping. Good, man. Good. This was a nice area. Let's wait and see for another sell opportunity. As of now, let's go to BTC. And we have a lot of things going on, even on the GPP JPY chart, on other charts there's stuff happening, so it's too much to look at, but it's manageable. This is 1 hourly time frame. I know 1 hourly time frames won't do much for you guys, but you have to understand, gold on the other hand is dropping, is consistently dropping, and I'm not gonna lie, but it looks like that Tokyo session, I just said, just waking up in Tokyo session will increase your chance by 90% of a win trade. And just look at it, we just had opened a one sell and let it be. That's how things are. Let's roll, baby, roll. Price action, baby, one word, just price action. Here we are, this is daily time frame. Here we are on a 4 hourly, 1 hourly. Pure price action. And I was talking about, remember, GBP JPY seems like it's going up, so you guys need to, but of course it will go back till here, somewhere around here, and it will start dropping, because on a day 1 time frame it is bearish, so keep that in mind. But this is the target. This is the target.